Hey guys, JP here. We are going to be installing these APR Performance side plates. They are the larger square plates. They're also known as Euro plates. A little bit more fitting for the Jaguar since it is a Euro car. But reason for this is the current plates on the wing, they are smaller, which is great for top speed. However, this is primarily a street car slash slowly getting towards a track car, and we want a little bit more drag, a little more downforce for cornering, and we will give up the top speed because we'll never hit top speed ever in this car, legally at least. So what we're going to do is we'll open these up and show you guys. I kind of already pre-opened them just to make sure they were the right ones. But as you can see, they're GTC-200 Euros, so they're really nice. But these are slightly bigger, and we'll show you guys right now as the camera cuts. We'll show you the other ones, but these are the new side plates for the GTC-200 Universal Wing.
Built with soul, not just steel.
So here's the current wings, side plates here, I should say, on the car. And you can see that this wing's about 3 years old now, but you can see that our clear coat is starting to peel. We'll restore these and we'll keep them in case we ever want to do anything for high speed. But you can see these are technically longer, but these are much, much deeper here. So what that's going to do is that's going to channel and force more air to stay under and over the actual air spoil, which creates more drag, but it also creates more downforce. So and I think these actually will look better. I've been wanting to get kind of more of that kind of square cut overall, just for look wise as well. So, and we're going to be putting our new JP logos. These ones are getting old. We're doing a full bronze and teal setup on this. We got it's kind of more of a copper bronze, but we've got the copper here, so these will get the teal JP logos. There'll be teal on all the body lines, and then teal and bronze JP Street and Performance at the bottom. So let's go ahead and swap these over real quick. So we'll just pop these off like this. Pretty self-explanatory. We'll put these back in the box. We're going to sand all this off. Unfortunately, when we sand it, we'll get rid of the APR logo, but we'll sand these down. We already did the top of the wing. The top of the wing peeled pretty bad last year, so this now has 7 coats of 2K clear on it. So we just edged it off here. This is all still original on the bottom, but we did the end plates, or sorry, the mount plates and the top of the wing last year. I still need to wet sand it, but honestly it looks really good even with the slight orange peel that it has, that I'm not super concerned with it. But all right, let's get these swapped out. Get a comparison of how much lower that channels, which is actually really perfect for the way the Jaguar's body lines naturally get lower over this fender here. So all this air is going to be force directed right under that wing. And what's nice is the GTC wing already has a curve, so it kind of already matches that for aerodynamic purposes. But all right, we're going to change this one out. Oh, much better. I actually really love the way that came out. I'm really happy with the Euro plates. I think that looks really, really good. What do you guys think? We got, like I said, a little bit more drag for some downforce, which is what we're building this as basically a street slash track car. It'll be a HPD type vehicle, which sees some track days, and we're doing a whole bunch more upgrades here over the next several months, so keep an eye out for that. But that really, really kind of helps kind of finish off, kind of almost makes the wing feel like it's part of the car. I really, really like it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and remove my logos, we'll put our teal logos on here, and we'll get a quick view of how that looks, and we'll call this a video, you guys. All right, we got the new JP logos on, we got the old ones off. That is the teal that we're working with. So awesome. That is an actual trademark. It is a registered trademark. So that's why we run it on all of our stuff for the business. But thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. I know it's kind of a short video this week. We are in the middle of some kind of big regular maintenance repair job, so kind of limited on space. But I try to keep my promise of doing one video a week, one long form. So at least we had something for you guys this week, and we will see about next week. I think we're going to go back to work on that STI next week, so we'll have the string alignment going on. Until then, learning, building, and sharing the ride. This is JP Street and Performance. Until next time.